Okay, so we're gonna pack a Sseko sandal order. Summer's coming. So this person ordered 4 sandal straps or ribbons. She ordered the feline, the brown, as well as the rose lean, and the purple metallic. Such a good combination. Lots of variety there. So we pack it in the poly. As I struggle with this. And then the other thing she ordered was some accessories. So these are the fringe triangle gold accessories. You actually attach those to the sandal so you can change the look of the ribbon that's on the sandal. So it's a pretty cool change. And then we have all the product in the bag. And then we also add the how to tie the ribbons. And a little bit of information about Sseko as a brand. Every sandal has a story, so you should read about that. Your receipt, the orange fish postcard, my personal business card, and our social media links. And I also add a sticker and sometimes a fun little button if there's one that I think should go into the package. So obviously I add